guys, welcome back to our channel. We are back with a new DIY video. In today's video, we will be showing you how to make this really cool and minimalist lamp using cement. So let's get started. You'll need a mold for the cement. I'm using this can here, E27 Bulb, E27 Lamp Holder, insulation tape, and you need some cement. Now I am going to make a small opening at the bottom of the can to slide the cord through it. Make sure to not cut the whole thing because we will have to seal it back when we put the cement in the can. Then I'm going to slice my can into half because I want my lamp to be of that height. So now I am going to slide the wire through the opening and see if it fits perfectly or if I need to make the opening a little more bigger. Yes, so it does fit perfectly and we can move on to the next step. Now I'm going to cover the holder with some paper and tape so that it doesn't have any contact with cement. Make sure there is no place for the cement to go in because you might end up damaging the wire. Then I am also insulating the opening which we made earlier. Now we will start adding cement in the can. And also make sure to tap it at regular intervals so that there are no air bubbles. Then I am going to hold the cord into place, center it and secure it with tape so it doesn't move. After taping it, make sure all the air bubbles are out. Also make sure the cement doesn't flow out from the bottom opening. And if required, secure it with more tape. And once everything's done, we will let it dry for the next 48 hours. Once it's dry, let's remove the lamp from the mold. Now I am going to remove this insulation tape from the holder. Then I am going to sand this down because I wanted a smooth surface, but if you like it to be rough and organic, then just leave it without sanding. Now since it's sanded and smooth, let's put the bulb in and turn it on. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, you do like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye.